my name is Dipanjan Dey and I belong from Tripura, Agartala. I did my B.Tech from Kolkata from CCIE and I passed out in 2016. After that I was looking out for a course so that I can start my career, and after that I came to know about networking, and then I started looking out for the best institution for networking, and after that I came to know about Networkers Home. And because in Networkers Home I saw that there are lots of facilities which are provided by this organization. In Networkers Home they are providing 24 hours lab facilities, and I can do the practicals and all and I can do the live practicals. So for that I should thank Networkers Home for giving me an opportunity and all.